pop, y'all? It's your girl, Sincerely Yana. Let's get right into this video. I'm gonna be unboxing my birthday present that my dad bought me. He just dropped it off or whatever. So let's do this unboxing, you guys. I just asked for bedroom lights from Amazon. I might do an unboxing and then like another day I will do like an actual install.
I'm not trying to get sick. Like, I'm really not trying to. Everybody talking about they sick. My dad talking about he was sick. My mama's sick right now. My thyroid been off. Girl, it's too much.
Right, so this is the HDRJ 4-piece LED strip. As for a 4-piece strip, no nuggies, honey. For TV, living room, underneath cabinet, bedroom, staircase, party, holiday, wedding. Got these from Amazon. Feet, life expectancies, so many hours, right here. So let's open this up. Oh, they got me suited and booted in here. Look at this. Suited and booted. Look at that remote control. That's hot. Hey, what's inside? You get a remote control. You get, this is the adapter where you plug it in. Not sure what this part is. I'm not sure. Oh my god. Okay, so here are the 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it does have instructions. Okay, great. So let's just see what it got going. And then they give you some extras in this little baggie. You like the Happy Lighting app to help you control the colors. Oh, it says it's a signal receiver, so that's just left out. Okay, so you can control the color, and then on here it looks like you can control the speed and the mode.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.